Realme GT5 just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate AMOLED display, superb in design, 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage variant, flagship processor, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Realme GT5, a flagship phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. Here is the box of the Realme GT5. Now we remove the plastic from the box. It's a 150 watt version. We open the box lid and inside this cardboard box there is a black colored protective case. You will also find user manual and SIM ejector tool. There is also a 150 watt power adapter that comes with a Type-C output. And finally, Type-C to C data cable. After removing the plastic from the phone, let's talk about the phone's design and build. In the first look, the Realme GT5 looks quite cool, especially in the green color variant. The back of the phone is made from single piece of glass and the portion around the camera area is named Miracle Glass by the company. It's integrated seamlessly with the back, unlike some phones where the camera module is separate. The back of the phone uses the AG glass technology, which provides a comfortable touch and feels somewhat like a matte finish. If you look to the right of the camera module, you will find a RGB LED strip. The company calls this system the RGB Halo System Pro. You can use this RGB light for various purposes like charging, gaming, music playback and notifications. It can also be referred to as a breathing light and it's add a cool touch to the phone's aesthetics. The phone weighs around 205 grams and has a thickness of 8.9 mm, which is typical for the phone with similar specifications. Speaking of the display, the Realme GT5 features a 6.74-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, a 144Hz refresh rate and a 2160Hz PWM dimming feature. One of the best things this time is that there is no plastic bracket between the screen and the frame, which gives the phone a more premium feel. The phone can reach a maximum brightness level of up to 1400 nits, but even so, the screen might not appear extremely bright. Overall, the phone's design and display are quite impressive, and with its curved back, it offers a comfortable in-hand feel and good grip. The biggest advantage of the Realme GT5 is undoubtedly its performance. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 flagship processor built on TSMC's 4nm platform. You can even check the Antutu running score, which goes up to 1.58 million, showcasing its high performance capabilities. Gaming performance on this phone is excellent with no noticeable lag, and it comes with the notable features. You can customize the GPU core's frequency, and it is the first time we have seen it in a phone, especially useful for game like King of Glory. The frame rate remains remarkably stable, providing a smooth and stutter-free experience. You won't encounter noticeable frame drop or stuttering issue, ensuring a consistently stable performance overall. Even high-end game like Genshin Impact runs smoothly on this device with a stable frame rate. Many phones tend to experience some lag in this game after 15 to 20 minutes of the gameplay, but here you get a consistently smooth experience, which is quite impressive. The phone also offers excellent temperature control. Even after 30 minutes of playing Genshin Impact, the device doesn't get excessively hot. Another significant advantage is the inclusion of the X7 independent display chip, which further enhances the game experience, providing a super smooth graphics. Additionally, the phone features a dual X-axis linear motor, Dolby panoramic dual speaker, and overall, it excels in the game control. The network experience is also quite good, making it a well-rounded gaming device. The heat dissipation system is quite effective, and the vibration and sound effect add to the overall gaming and multimedia experience, taking it to a next level. Furthermore, the highest variant of this phone offers an impressive 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, making it the third phone in the world to provide this configuration. The first two phones are the OnePlus H2 Pro and the Redmi K60 Ultra. I have already uploaded unboxing and detailed review for the both of these phones. If you haven't seen them yet, you can find the link in the description below or in the cards above. Be sure to check them out. When it comes to the battery and charging, there are two variants available for the phones. The first one supports 240 watt charging with a 4600 mAh battery, while the second variant supports 150 watt charging with the 5240 mAh battery. Regarding battery life testing, here are the results. Streaming 1 hour of the video consumes 8% of the battery life. Browsing for 1 hour consumes 6% of battery life. Playing King of Glory for 1 hour consumes 17% of battery life. For the 150 watt charging variant, in the charging test, it takes about 5 minutes minutes of charging to reach the 30% of the battery charge. This number indicates impressive battery performance and super fast charging capabilities. When it comes to the camera setup, in the Realme GT5, you will find a rear-facing triple camera setup. It consists of the primary 50MP Sony IMX890 sensor with optical image stabilization. The secondary camera is a 8MP ultra-wide angle lens, and the third is a 2MP macro sensor. Let's take a look at the photos. The 50MP main camera delivers impressive results. The Realme GT5 excels in the design and build quality, offers an excellent overall experience. It delivers the outstanding performance and the top-notch gaming experience along with the super fast charging, making it a stronger contender in its price range. While the camera performance may be considered average, if you are looking for a high-performance phone that can easily last you 3 to 4 years without lag, the Realme GT is worth considering. For the pricing, the base variant of the Realme GT5 with 150W charging starts from 2,999 Chini Yuan, which is roughly £330 in UK and $412 US. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, just comment below. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.